guys, okay. Just going to relax. Ooh, just relax. Okay. Alright. Hi everyone, it's Alondra. Today I'm going to be sharing you guys this bright yellow look inspired by sunflower. Today I used one of Colourpop's newest palette that came out. I was so excited for it. It's the Honey palette. And when I saw this palette, I really wanted to create a look inspired by sunflowers. I had this sunflower dress and I was like, why not create a look that goes with my dress? And I hope this look that I share with you all will definitely be something that you could create for yourselves. And let's get to the makeup video. So starting off the video, gotta make sure you have a well moisturized face so that you can apply your foundation very smoothly and get that airbrush look. So here I'm just using the Sigma FA brush. I think that's the brush I'm using. Really amazing brush. Always use this. This is my #1 go-to brush that I always use just because it gives you this amazing flawless look. So here I am, I'm just pretty much just buffering out, taking my time and blending everything together. I've already prepped and primed my face using the MAC Fix Plus primer, and I am using the Born This Way foundation. And again, I'm just blending everything out using the Sigma brush. There I am, just blending everything out. So once I'm done blending my face out, I'm going to go in with the Kat Von D Everlasting 24-Hour Pomade in the color Walnut. And here I'm just filling in my brows. We all have our own ways. We have our different ways of filling in our brows. My brows are straight, so I just go in and kind of shape out the outer part of my eyebrow, and then I just go in and I start filling in my brows. And I start from the outer corner and I work my way inwardly to just give it a more natural, full look. And here I'm just doing the same thing, and I'm also using the Sigma angled brush. I don't know the exact number to it, but I know it's the angled brush from their brush collection. And I'm all set and done with my eyebrows. We are all set. And I was going to go in with my loose powder to set all my face together, except I had to prime my eyes first because I always make sure I prime my eyes before I set my makeup, just so no residue of the powder gets on my lids. And then sometimes it makes it really hard to work well with color with my eyeshadow, so made sure I went back. And now is where I set all my makeup, and I'm using Too Faced Peach Perfect loose powder. And there I am, just setting all my makeup together just so it can last throughout the day, and hoping that there's no crease throughout the day too, because out here in the hot weather, it is very easy to get creases on your face. So after that, I'm going to go in with the Honey palette, Colourpop's newest palette. Before that, I'm going to go ahead and set my eyes with just a solid, plain, translucent color. And here I'm just going in with Bad to the Bone from Too Faced Lucky Clover palette. And now I'm going in with Colourpop's flat brush, and I'm using Totally Buggin'. It's the bottom left color. I'm just playing that all over my lid just so it can make the yellow pop out from the other colors I'm going to be using. And then I'm going in with a crease brush, and I'm going to go on and use Oh Behave, the middle color, and I'm just working that on my crease, just warming up the look by just working its way on the crease, just blending it out with the smudge brush. Then after that, I'm going to go in with the Sigma crease brush, and I'm going to go ahead and go in with Buzzkill, and this is the warm brown in the palette. I'm just using that on my outer crease, and slowly, gently just blending everything in together just to give it all a nice blended, warm effect to it. And then going back in with Oh Behave, I'm just making sure that all the colors are blended well. And then I am going in with Sunburst, the top row middle color, very beautiful lime pale yellow color, and I'm just using that as my inner highlight. And I'm also packing it onto my inner lid. Then I'm going in and just applying some mascara. And I accidentally got some mascara on my face, and that's always the worst feeling ever when you get mascara on your face. So hard to remove. Just kind of had to go back with my foundation brush and blend everything out. And now I'm going to line my eyes. I'm using NYX's Epic Liner. And this takes me quite a while just because once you mess up, you can't go back. So I'm just working my way to build a liner. Normally I start by creating the shape starting from the outer corner and then working my way to build the liner inwardly just to get the shape that I want. I didn't want to over exaggerate too much, so I kind of made it go a little upward, kind of like a pin-up girl eyeliner. And then doing the exact same process with the other eye. Again, this is a very long process. I gotta concentrate when it comes to my eyeliner. So once I'm done with the eyeliner, I am going to go on and apply falsies. I apply A.D.I.O.S 113 with Speed. These are the lashes I always use. And then I'm going in with Duo A.D.I.O.S. I'm using the black version of it. And while my lashes are getting tacky, I'm going back in and I'm going in with Oh Behave and applying that to my lower lash line just to give a pop of yellow on my bottom lashes. And then after that, I'm just waiting for my lashes to be able to apply on my eyes. And while I'm waiting for it to become more tacky and so they could be ready to be applied, I'm going to go in with NYX's brow tint. I'm just going to brush my eyebrows just to give it that nice natural bushy look. And now is when I go in and I apply my lashes. This took years of practice. I'm finally able to apply my lashes in less than a minute. It doesn't take me long at all. It's years of practice. And once they're all set, it makes such a huge difference when you have lashes on. So now I feel very pretty. And now I'm going to go in with Urban Decay's 24-hour Glide On Pencil, and I'm just going to be tight lining my top lash line just to give the top lashes more of a voluminous look. And then I'm going to go ahead and just finish up with coating my bottom lashes with mascara. And I'm using L'Oreal's Lash Falling Mascara, and to my top lashes too, just to make my lashes, my real lashes, blend in with my falsies. Then I'm going in with Too Faced I Will Always Love You Love Blush, and I'm just applying it to my cheeks. And then I'm going in with Kat Von D's Everlasting Lipstick, liquid lipstick in the color Lolita 2, and it's such the perfect terracotta for this mustard yellowy look. Right, so after the liquid lipstick, I'm going to go back in with NYX's Epic Liner. I'm just going to put 2 dots of my beauty marks here on my lower cheek, and then I finish it off with the MAC Fix Plus. After that, I'm going to go back in with the Sunburst, and I'm going to use that as my highlighter. And after that, the look is complete. That is the finished look, and I feel like everything just works so well together, and I feel like all the colors just really went very well with each other, and they all complemented each other very well. Alrighty everyone, so that was the final look. If you guys did enjoy this video, and if you guys could recreate this look, it'd be awesome. Makeup is about sharing and experimenting and just kind of figure out what you like and what you don't like. And hopefully this video you can recreate the look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will catch you guys next time.